Hello everybody. So guys, I'm just gonna teach you to download and install the Notepad++ because the Notepad++ is not by default installed on your computer by installing the Windows or something. So let's just go there and type the google.com and then let's just search for the website, the Notepad++. I'm not gonna going directly to the website, but I'm just going through the Google. So by the way, here you can see the website name, the Notepad++ home. Okay, the website address is notepad-plus-plus.org. Okay, let's just click on the element. It's gonna open and now you can see the look of the Notepad++, and this is the difference between the simple Notepad which is by default installed on your computer, on your Windows. Now you can see that here all these things are in a color mode. Basically, you know that these are the comments, so the comments are in the the brown color, and sometimes in the HTML it will be in a green color, and the the void method, the curly braces, the blue colored function, the states and the conditions, whatever. But what I'm just gonna do right now, I'm just gonna go to the downloads area. Where is the download link? Here is the download link. Otherwise you can see that here the latest version which has been removed. So sorry about that, this is not the latest version, this is latest news that the old version has been removed or whatever. Let's just go to the download or just click on the download there. So now this is a download version and you just can download this. You can see the release date of that, by the way. And do you want to download the current version? Just click on the current version, and this is the current version, by the way. And let's just click on the download. Okay, you just don't need to do any more thing. I just clicked there and then it's about to download. Yeah, you can see that in which way we just downloaded, in installer way, the .exe way. Otherwise you can download it in a zip way, the 7z way, the minimalist package and etc. But the general installer or just directly click on the download is okay. So where I'm just pasting this, for now, yeah, in a master project, directly in a master project, and just click on the OK. Yeah, you can see that it's completed. So let's just go there. In the master project there is a file. Okay, so now what you just need to do, I'm just pressing enter because I'm just installing it. Click on yes, and now they're going to take me to the installer dialog box. Yeah, now they're asking to select any language. I'm just selecting the English and just clicking on OK, and they're just they just brought me up on the welcome to the Notepad++ and etc. However, I've installed the Notepad++ already, but I'm just installing that again. And then I need to agree, and then they're just asking me where to install. I'm telling yes, and they're just asking me for some more elements. I'm not updating anything, just simply clicking on next. And then they're just asking me for doing some more things. I'm not doing anything, just simply clicking on install, and then they're just installing the Notepad++. As you can see, it's going on installing all the features, different languages which are supported here, and different elements. Now after the installation, they're just telling that the Notepad++ 6.8.8 has been installed on your computer. One thing more, I just want to clear that maybe when you just install, then this version will not be there anymore. Maybe you can get any latest version like 8, version 8, version 10, version 20, whatever, but you should download the latest version though. Let's just click on the finish, and they are just opening the latest the Notepad++ here. Okay, the change log and etc, looking cool. So basically this is not important, the change.log. They're just telling us that what they fixed. I'm just closing this change.log, and then this is the Notepad++ and a file of index.html which actually has some kind of a bootstrap data. You will learn the bootstrap too in this course after some sections, by the way. But you can see that this is a tag is in a blue color, this is a simple text is in a dark black color, this is the attribute, this is in a red color, this is the value. Means basically the Notepad++ is a colorful coding, the colored coding basically it is. So now what more I just need to do, you can save this file, the installer, or anywhere, and let us go to the file. Here is the index file. you can right click here and just click on the edit with Notepad++, and then you can get the file. You can get the same file in the Notepad++. As you can see, the Shazib Kamal and the Joe Paris, which was there. Okay, now I can close this one, which is not necessary. But now if I just put some value of the HTML, I'll just guide you what it is. It is a simple tag, but I'll just guide you about that in after some lectures. However, it's really important to learn, but right now I'm just telling you about the difference between the colored coding and simple coding. So I'm just typing here introduction and saving, and then going to the browser and refreshing. Because of the h1 tag, it became big, because the mean of the h1 is the biggest heading, the h1, the first level heading. I'll just guide you about that later on. Now I'm going back to the pads here. Not there, come on, let me on. Yeah, here. Now I'm right clicking on the element, and now I'm just going to the open with and clicking on Notepad. Now you can see that all the text in the same color. You can see that the introduction, the tag, the h1 tag is in a black color, because it's a simple Notepad. But if I just open this in an edit with Notepad++, then you can see that the tags are in a blue color. So this is the difference between these two notepads. So by the way, that's why we'll use the Notepad++ in this course, not the simple Notepad. Now, how to create a file in a Notepad++? Just open the Notepad++ by any way. For example, you can open it from your start menu. I'm just typing Notepad++. Sorry, yeah, they're about to come. Yeah, Notepad++, click there, and then if you have opened any file already, then you can get the file. Just close that. Now you can get the new one by default. You can type anything, and then you just can click on the save or the save as, save all, sorry, not the save all. Basically, what the meaning of save all, you can create multiple files in a single time. Okay, as you can see, the tabbed coding, this is the specialty of it. Close that one, because I just don't want them, all them, and come here and just click on the file and just click on save or save as, because this is first time, so we can simply save the file, because this is not the txt file which is already being saved. So we can save this. Now here we have the save as type option and the file name, just like we did in a simple Notepad. Let's just click on the normal text file. You can see the formats, because this is a specific Notepad, not the simple typing pad or something. So there you can see the hypertext markup language, the HTML format. So let's just select the hypertext markup language. Now the new one, .html, it got the extension automatically. What I'm just doing, I'm just changing the name. I'm just typing web1.html, okay, and save, and then just go to the folder back, and here is a file. I'm just opening the web1. You can see that it's brought me up on the browser again. That means it's going fine. You can see that the wf whatever. So something more I should do. I'm going there, I'm just creating another file, whatever, and saving. So now I'm not changing the file type, I'm just directly going there and web2. Now if I just type the .html, I just didn't change the file type, okay, it just leave it as it is and simply type the extension which is necessary, .html, it's necessary, and just click on the save. And now this file is the .html. This is the another best thing of the Notepad++. Now the web2, you can see that the ASDAD, whatever we just typed, but we just opened the file, and I think you just enjoyed working on the Notepad++. There are a lot of features, like if you just go to the view and the zoom, so you can zoom in, zoom out by using your mouse too, by pressing control key and scrolling your mouse in and out, mouse wheel. Now if you just want to make the restore default zoom, so this is a default zoom. By the way, there are a lot of features, but I'm not going to use any of them. One thing more, I'm just clearing that I'm not going to use all these features. I'm not going to use all these features. I will just only use the zooming sometimes if necessary, otherwise I won't use all them. But if you just want to search anything from the code, so you can search by clicking on find, and here you can type the word you want and you can click on find next, just like the MS Office or the MS Word works. But I'm not going to use any of the element, any of the thing here. If you just want to open a new file, you can click there, you can click there, okay, you can open the complete folder. You can create new file by clicking there, or by double clicking there, okay, or by clicking new there, or by clicking new there, whatever you can choose any way. Another thing is, you can see that there is a floppy drive. If you just type anything, it turns into red. That means something isn't saved in the file. So now just click on save, or press Ctrl S. I just pressed the Ctrl plus S. It became saved now. Okay, and now if I just type anything inside it, it again becomes the red. Now click there, okay, and save all means if you have multiple tabs you're working on and all of them are red, or some of them are red, so let's just click on the save all and all of them will be red. So I think this is super cool. You should use that, you should practice that, and in the next class we'll learn some other features, some other the pads, and we'll go on. So guys, goodbye and stay tuned.